Hey, I'm Wyatt Windhorst. I am a second year medical student at the University of Minnesota Duluth, and I'll be providing some nutritional information for your salmon pasta bowl. Starting with the ingredients, salmon is a nutritional powerhouse of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, essential vitamins, and essential minerals, and much more. You also have pasta, which is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which help provide sustained energy throughout the day and night. You also have Brussels sprouts or a vegetable substitute if you choose. Vegetables in general are a great source of vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and much more. You also have mustard, which is a popular condiment. It is low in calories and fat, but also contains trace minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. You also have lemon juice, which is low in calories and a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, essential for your body's immune system and overall well-being. Lastly, you have black pepper, which is low in calories and a good source of manganese, vitamin K, and other micronutrients. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your meal tonight, though that is some of the nutritional information.